This is part 2 for bar models. I got a spam phone call and it cut off my video. So, okay, now we're gonna figure out what Kim had at first. Okay, Kim is the one who gave 89. Hold on, I've got to look at the problem again. Kim gave away 89 of her ribbons to her friend Sue. So to find out what that was, remember that Sue now has 202. And it says that, now Sue has 35 fewer than Kim. So let's take the 202 minus 35, plus 35, because Kim still has way more ribbons than Sue. She still has a lot more. So this is, I'm gonna put a Sue by the Sue and a Kim by the Kim. I'm glad their names are short. So, okay, let's see, she's got 2 and 5 is 7, 0 and 3 is 3, 2 and nothing is 2. So Kim still has 237. But remember, the question that we're trying to answer at the end is, how many ribbons did Kim and the mom, we got the moms already, how many did they have at first? That means before Kim gave away 89 ribbons. So the problem now is to add the 89 ribbons. So line up your numbers. You're going to do an addition problem. So now we've got our 237 plus 89, because that's how many Kim had at first. So 7 and 9 together, when you add them up, is 16. Regroup that 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So Kim has 326. Mom has 205. I would take those two answers. That would be fine for me. I'd be like, that's great. But I want to warn you that on tests, a lot of times, like either a STAR math test or a standardized test that they give you like at the end of the year, when it says how many ribbons did Sue's mother and Kim have at first, they are blending those together. They're adding those up together. So to get the actual real answer, you're going to need to add them up. If you don't and you pick, let's say you pick one, they may have this answer on there on a test, they may have this answer on there on a test. If you're like, nah, that's one of them, and you pick that, it's probably going to be wrong on a standardized test or a STAR test. They're wanting them added. So there's one more step. 205, that's Mom's beginning total, and Kim's 326, that's her beginning total. We're going to add these up together. And this is what my problem looks like. I've got my columns added up nicely, lined up nicely. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry your 1. And then you're going to do 2 plus 0 is nothing, plus 1 is 3. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. 531. Let me double check my rubric. Yeah. So at first, 531 ribbons is how many they had together. I'm just writing ribbons with my giant marker. Okay. And that's how you do those bar model problems. I don't really use the strips for myself. That doesn't help me, but if it helps you, that's great. But that is how you do that problem. Bar models, real world problems, and patterns in addition and subtraction parts.